Hi guys, since I've been waiting for Banggood to finally send me something, but I think that FedEx is boycotting Banggood because everything I buy, I get different error messages. I'm still waiting on that plane that was stuck at a certain location here in California and it just won't arrive. And then when I bought the next item, it tells me that there's some kind of tornado going on and I may be experiencing delays. You can't make this stuff up, so I'm going to do another video where I show you what Banggood sent me as a message for that. But in the meantime, I purchased this, well actually a company is sending me this cool filament and hopefully this will arrive tomorrow. So hopefully before all the Banggood stuff that is being boycotted by obviously FedEx here, and I have not received yet. Anyway, thanks for watching. This was another update and I'll see you soon in the next one.